Hi, I'm Dave Harriton with American Expedition Vehicles. Today we're here at our Detroit facility and I'm going to talk to you about the new ZR2. A lot of you have seen the concept car we did for Chevrolet last fall at the SEMA show. Unbelievable response to that car. So we decided to move ahead with a few products that we're going to introduce May 18th at the Overland Expo, and I'll walk you through some of them right now. The first and perhaps most noticeable product we're introducing is this Snorkel Intake system for the new Colorado. This is every year 2015 to current. Basically, everybody thinks this is for water. It's really mostly for dust, although this is a fully airtight system, right to your airbox. No airbox mods required. This is a cross-link polyethylene. It's got a UV inhibitor in it. It's going to look good forever. Optional air ram or pre-filter on this one. The pre-filter will get rid of about 98% of the dirt before it ever hits the filter. This will be released at Overland Expo May 18th. Second product we'll be introducing Overland Expo is this new AEV DualSport wheel. We're calling it the Crestone after the mountain peak in Colorado. Figured it was appropriate with the Colorado. This is a true DualSport wheel, so it can be mounted as a beadlock or as a non-beadlock. There's multiple different configurations, different rings, etc. You can get totally different looks with all these different permutations. The nice thing about this wheel is it's a 17x8 and it's the correct offset for this truck. It's made specifically for the Colorado. Super excited about both these new products and this truck in general. If you get a chance, come on out and see us at Overland Expo in Arizona.